Hi everybody, my name is Jimmy Johansson, and in this video I will show you how you can create and assign tasks on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. A task on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is known as a we do, which is basically a community post. You create a new community post by clicking the plus sign at the top bar of the community, and then you select the we do. For the we do, you can name it a title, and of course you can add more content to the we do to further explain the details of the task. You can then click in the field below to assign a member of the community to this specific task on the we do, as it's known. And of course you can also assign an end date to the task as well.